Hey there, today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Yeah, since my last fix was kind of a bust where I didn't end up keeping anything, when I was checking out, I noticed I had the option of doing a quick turnaround fix. So I decided, why not? You know, I didn't have to pay a styling fee because I have the Style Pass. This last one was kind of a bust, I think partly because I had missed the window for the preview. So this time I made sure that I didn't miss the preview so I could select up to 8 items, and I made a point to pick 8 items. Even if I wasn't really in love with all of the items, I'm just gonna select 8 so that way I have more to choose from. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it's an online styling service. And I've been doing Stitch Fix for quite a while now, and for the most part I've been pretty happy. There have been some misses like last month, but I'll put more information about how the service works down in the description box below, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. And if you use my referral link, or anyone else's for that matter, you get $25 off your first purchase, and the person that referred you also gets $25. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in this very big Stitch Fix box. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. I have a prepaid mailer to send anything I don't want back. You also have a little pamphlet with information of what you had in your fix, along with a note from your stylist, and this time my stylist is Katie. Okay, so this time I got 2 bundles since I had 8 items, and here's bundle number 1. And here's bundle number 2. This bundle actually fell apart in transit, so I had to tape it back together. But yeah, I think not bad. Looks, I think, kind of promising, right? We'll see. Let's start with bundle number 1. Okay, and the first item is a dress. And let's see, here it is. And you'll notice it looks kind of familiar because I actually have this dress in a green color, and I actually really love it. So I saw in my preview they had this dress in this other color. It's kind of a, what is that, like a rust color? Thought I'd try it. Yeah, I really like this style because I like these long flowy dresses. So this one is by Serein, and it's the Janice mesh dress in orange. Oh, I guess this is considered orange. Size small, and it was $69. So yeah, this is a mesh dress, and it's lined. So yeah, okay, $69. Not cheap, but you know, it is what it is. Okay, okay, and next item. Oh, this is another dress. Okay, and this is by Market and Spruce, and it's the Sanna button front dress in navy, size small, and this one's only $27.97. So yeah, that's a good price for this dress. It looks kind of cute. I do like polka dots. I don't have a lot of polka dots in my closet, so we'll see. Okay, and next. Okay, I got this top. This is cute. I like white. This is by Beacon, and it's the Raveena clip dot blouse, white, size small petite, and it's $45. So $45 for this. It's kind of sheer, so I'm pretty sure you got to wear something underneath. But I like it. It's kind of nice and flowy. It has these kind of like polka dots and kind of a fluttery sleeve. Okay, and next I got this t-shirt. This is by Bobeau, and it's the Uma short sleeve top in navy, size small petite, and it's $48. Yeah, so $48 for this t-shirt seems a little much. It does have an interesting sleeve detail. It's a little bit of a puff sleeve. It feels really soft. I'm not sure what material this is. Let's just check it out real quick. Oh, it's 94% polyester, 6% spandex. Okay. So it's mostly a polyester t-shirt, but that does mean that it probably will wash and wear pretty well, right? Okay, that was the first bundle. Let's see how the second bundle is. Okay, and first off, I got this dress. Huh, okay. And this is by 41 Hawthorn, and it's the Claudia square neck dress in black, size small, and it's $59. Okay, I kind of do like this square neckline. I think that's kind of cute. And so this is just a knit material. Oh, and it has pockets. It has an interesting kind of a ribbed looking fabric that's stretchy, and it's a little on the thicker side. So yeah, we'll see. It kind of just depends for me on how long it is. Okay. Okay, next. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I just picked it. It's this top. It's a very green color, you know. This is by Threads for Thought. It's the Larissa cropped terry polo in light green. Not sure what color that is really. Size small, and it was $28.97. I think I just threw this in because I wanted to get 8 items, and $28.97, that's not too bad. That's kind of a lower price for Stitch Fix. And this could be comfortable. What I'm just not so crazy about is this color, but sometimes you never know until you try, right? And this is like a terry material. It could be very comfortable. Great dog walking top. That's what I think. Okay. And next I have these pants. I hope these fit. I've had bad luck with their pants. Okay, and this is by Studio Blue. And this is the Dawn wide leg utility pant in olive, size 4 petite, and this is $65. So yeah, $65. You know, I actually don't have a pair of olive pants. I was going through my closet, and I do have an old pair of olive pants, but they don't really fit me. And the style is out of style already. So yeah, this would be great, I think, if it could fit me. But we'll see. Studio Blue. And lastly, I got another pair of jeans. Yeah, and my husband was like looking in my closet, why do you have so many pairs of jeans? You know, he was very judgy. And I said, well, it's because some of them don't fit me anymore. That's what I said. Okay, these are by Cut from the Cloth, and they're the Lauren High Rise Fab Ab Crop Straight Leg Double Button Jean. And these are in the color indigo, size 4, and they're $88. Okay, so $88, and these are a crop pair of jeans. And I think, did they say it was petite? No, it's not petite. But yeah, let's try these Cut from the Cloth jeans. You never know. I love jeans, as my husband pointed out. Okay, but anyway, that's everything I got in my Stitch Fix this month. Now I'm going to go ahead and try everything on and try to style everything and see how they look. Okay, so here's the first dress. Yeah, I kind of like this dress, honestly. I mean, I do have the same dress in green, and I do really like it. I got it like a couple fixes ago, and I've worn it at least once, but you know, it's not like I have a lot of occasions to wear a nice dress. But yeah, I think this is really pretty, yeah? Yeah, I really do like this dress. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, even though I have the same style in a different print, it's a very different print, so I think it gives it a different look. But let's try to style it. And I had looked online, and in the style card they had it with, of course, a denim jacket. And they had it with a light wash denim jacket. So I do have this, actually it's medium wash, cut from the cloth. Yeah, these are timeless, I think. Yeah, and let's add a purse. Okay, yeah, so I think that is a nice look, yeah? I think it's a very pretty dress, and we'll see how like the other items in my fix come out, but if I'm close to doing a 5 for 5, I think this is a strong candidate. Okay, and here's the polka dot dress. Yeah, I think this is cute. It's actually a very good length. It's just right above the knee, so not too short. And yeah, I think it's cute. It has like a tie belt. I guess you could replace it with a different belt. and it's just kind of fluttery. Cute. More of a casual dress, I would say. Okay, so, what do you guys think? I think this is cute, and this one was like less than $30 for this dress. So yeah, if I do the 5 for 5, I think this would be a no-brainer, yeah? Not bad. Okay, so here is the beacon top with the cut from the cloth jeans. Yeah, and actually this top, it's pretty cute, right? It's flowy. I don't know how it's gonna wash, but I mean, it looks nice. It's very airy. I didn't put a tank top underneath. I just put a nude bra, and I think it looks okay. Okay, and as for the jeans, these jeans are really, really nice. I think they fit pretty much perfect, you know? And the length is perfect. So these, I thought they were supposed to be cropped jeans. Yeah, they're supposed to be cropped, but since I'm only 5'1", the length looks just right. So yeah, if you're 5'1" like me, these jeans might be a good option. They're very stretchy, and they look nice. I like the way, I think it looks nice with the way they faded it and everything. Looks tasteful. So yeah, I really don't need another pair of jeans. I'm gonna have to decide what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, but I think this is a cute outfit. Yeah, this is just a very nice kicking around, hey friend, let's have lunch kind of outfit. So I don't know, I might be tempted. Okay, so here are those studio blue pants, and they're kind of a olive green and a wide leg style. And I just paired them with a very casual look with some white sneakers and a striped t-shirt from Uniqlo. And yeah, I think these pants fit really nicely, and I think they're actually pretty flattering. So I'm really considering keeping these for sure. Yeah, I don't have pants like this, so unlike the jeans that I did love, but I have so many jeans, I have to think about it. But these I really like. And let's try to style them. Okay, and here are those pants, and I styled them with a red cashmere hoodie from Quince and a little black purse. And I think that looks cute. I actually got my inspiration to wear like a red sweater with this from watching TV last night. I was watching this show called Shrinking. If you haven't seen it, it's so funny, it's the best. And it's on Apple TV. But one of the main characters, and I think his name is Jimmy, his daughter was wearing this vintage red Lacoste, Lacoste sweater, and it was so cute, and she had it with some olive pants, and I thought, oh, okay, that's a good look. So I got inspired. Okay, so here is the black dress with pockets. And yeah, I think this is actually not bad. It's kind of basic, but it kind of works, yeah. It has this square neckline, which I think is kind of different. It's pretty fitted on top, but not too crazy tight. It has like short sleeves. And yeah, the material feels substantial, and it's like super, super comfortable. Lengthwise, it's just right about knee length. So yeah, I think this is definitely a possibility. So I guess if you're going out to dinner, add a bag. You could add a sweater or cardigan, I guess. But let's just keep it simple. And let's also see if you can add a denim jacket. Okay, and here it is with a denim jacket, some different shoes, and different purse. So yeah, I think this could be a versatile dress. So I'm gonna think about it. Okay, so here's that really green crop polo top, which I don't know. It's kind of comfortable. I'm not really in love with the color, but I could really make some use out of this. I can picture myself wearing this, walking the dog. It almost feels like this should have like matching sweatpants or something in the same terry cloth material. But I just have it paired with those cut from the cloth jeans that I really don't need, but I'm dangerously close to keeping. And let's just have a close-up on this terry cloth. This is really terry cloth. This is like a towel almost, a light towel. It feels very retro, you know, like either 80s, 70s. I don't know. It feels retro. Okay, let's add a purse. Here's my Loewe bag. My husband gave me a couple years ago, I think. Yeah. Okay, looks nice, right? Okay, and lastly, it's the marathon. I have this Bobeau striped t-shirt top. Yeah, and this is just a basic t-shirt top. It does have these kind of puffy sleeves, which are a little bit tight. The bands are a little tight, which I don't really like. I like that it's really soft. Lengthwise, you know, it's too long, I think, to just leave out. So you'd probably have to do a front tuck, maybe something like that, or just tuck it in. And I think that looks better. And add a purse. Add this one again. Okay. But yeah, I think this is an okay top. Not sure if it's worth $48, but okay, gotta think about it. Okay, so I thought this was overall a pretty good fix. I think there's several items that I really like and I'm probably going to keep, but I want to try to get to 5, right? So we'll see. Let me know what you guys thought of the different items. But first off, let's go over the invoice. So Katie, my stylist, sent me a total of 8 items that actually I picked out. And the total for the 8 items is $430.94. If I were to buy all 8, I'd get 25% off and the total would go down to $323.20. But I only have to buy 5 to get 25% off. So I'll probably do some Stitch Fix math to see what I can come up with. See if there's like 5 items that are worth keeping and so that I can get that 25% off. But right now I'm not too sure. My favorites were actually these pants. I thought they fit nicely. I don't have a pair of pants like that. I kind of like the style. And I thought they were pretty cute and comfortable. I also like this dress, but let me know what you guys thought. Do you think this color is okay for my skin tone? I thought it was kind of nice and different, and I don't have a dress this color. And I definitely think I could make use out of it. Kind of love these jeans, to be honest. So yeah, I do have a lot of pairs of jeans, I know, but these were such nice jeans. That's one thing about Stitch Fix. They do have really good jeans, I think. Yeah, and then it's just amazing. They send you jeans and they fit perfectly, and it's like, what do you do, right? But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. So let me know what you thought of this fix and what your favorites were from this fix. But now it's time to say goodbye, and I'm going to have Kaya again, since she's right here, to help me say goodbye. And here is Miss Kaya. Yeah, she is just, oh, hi sweetie, hi. She's just taking a nap like she always does in the afternoon. And yeah, the other day though, when she was playing, she might have pulled something in one of her legs. I think it was her right paw, because she was favoring it a little. So it's kind of sad, but she seems to be on the mend. Although I do have a dog stroller, so I was strolling her around for her walk this morning. So yeah, she really enjoys riding, I noticed. I had her walk just briefly, put her in the stroller, and then she's like sitting up and looking around. Yeah, but anyway, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.